everybody, welcome back to my channel Fashion Talk with Mohita. I know that it's been a long time that I'm shooting this video for YouTube. I had to take a break, guys, because I was shifting from my hometown to Delhi to start my new brand and to start my clothing line, which I finally did. Well won. I'm attaching the link below so that you guys can check it out, my clothing line. Also to complete various new projects and new collaborations with brands. So yeah, I had to take break. Also, those who don't know me, first of all, myself Mohita, I'm a fashion designer and an illustrator. @illustrations by Mohita is my account handle name. Go check it out. And if you like my work, if you like my illustrations, if you like my content, please let me know in the comment section below, because I love hearing all these things, and I love reading your messages and your comments. It kind of motivates me and inspires me to work even more. And yeah, that is something which motivates me a lot. So coming to today's topic, today I'm going to discuss with you all that why you need to be so perfect at illustrations. What is the importance of illustration? Because I have been getting so many DMs कि मैम why illustrations क्यों बनाते हैं? Why we need to make designs before our final garment? Why we need to be so perfect at that with proper markers, colors and everything? So this video is all about that. So let's get started. Have you ever imagined, guys, to describe your design through words and expect somebody to make it? No, right? You have to make it, you have to draw it for yourself. That's why illustration plays an important role in your life. It's kind of a perfect example of visual representation of your ideas, your concepts, your designs and a lot of things. To see why drawing will never go out of style, just have a look to any designer's notebook, rough book, journal, जहाँ पर वो अपने concepts लिखते हो, अपने rough sketches बनाते हो, and watch an idea grow from a rough sketch to the finished product. Trust me, you will get an idea that how much importance illustrations or making rough sketches and final sketches before your final garment is important. Trust me. Doodling on computer doesn't allow you to work through a sketch like a series of hand drawings does, at least not yet. That's why you need to be perfect at that, and you should know and you should have a proper knowledge of how to make illustrations. But it's not always about illustrations. Like, you know how to draw, you know how to make different body proportions, you know how to drape your design on a croquis. It is extremely very important that you should know how to make different kinds of fabrics, different kinds of pleats and folds, lighting effect, shading effect, and that will actually change the quality of your illustrations and it will give it a 3D dimensional look. These things are very important. So make sure that you practice. I'm not saying that you practice whole day. At least take out 15 to 20 minutes of your busy schedule and practice line exercises, shading exercise, or gradation, which will actually loosen up your hands to make a better illustration, and you will know how much pressure you're gonna apply in your illustrations with the color pencils and color. Take seminars, workshops, whosoever mentor you're comfortable with. Your motto should be learning at the end. So make sure that you learn and take action by practicing different kinds of fabrics, pleats and folds and different design elements. Now, the bigger question here is that why you need to be so perfect at it. Why you need to make illustrations and why you need to be perfect at that. Here's the answer actually. While making a design on a croquis, a designer is not making a pretty work of an art, because that illustration, that sketch of his will be the focal point of discussion between his team and the designer. Therefore, your sketch, your design, your illustration needs to be precise, it needs to be perfect. So make sure that you know how to communicate your ideas from your mind to the paper, because a strangely drawn waistline or a wrongly placed crease can mean several other things in terms of fabric, draping and different types of fabrics and seams, different design elements. So make sure that you are perfect at that. Let me be very frank with you guys. You don't need to make a pretty features or good hairdo, perfect footwear. As a fashion designer, your main focus should be your garments. You should know how to effectively communicate your designs, your concepts, your ideas visually on paper to your team or to your pattern maker. Because proper use of visual communication is very important. It will help you, it will allow you to transplant your ideas, your concepts, your designs to the mind of other people at your team, which will eventually help your team and your company to grow. So make sure that you do not ignore these small details, and everything should be perfect, because making of illustration, making of designs is the first phase or the first step you can say of making of your developing a collection or making of a garment. So make sure that you do not ignore this. Now, as I have mentioned it earlier so many times, I'm again mentioning it, guys. Fashion designing is not easy. It's like 99% of your hard work, 1% of glamour. It can be really rewarding career option with glamorous opportunities and amazing moments, but you have to work for it. You have to explore, you have to build your networks, and I know that you guys can do it. I am glad that you made it till here, and if you are watching this video, guys, I just want to say one thing. Let your dreams be your wings. I know you guys can do it. All the best, and I'll keep making and I'll be keep informing you, keep updating you with different topics on fashion designing. And if you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments. I would love hearing your messages and your love in the comment section. Bye guys, I'll see you soon.